Hello, welcome back. Today we have a quickie. I have trousers. They're missing a button. Let's fix this. Like you see, it was already once fixed. This is not the original button, but if you have a buttonhole, you just need to see that it comes through very well. Next thing what you need to check is then the position. If you have the original button, if it was there recently, then you can see where the stitches were. Otherwise you should mark it from the when it's closed to the right position. If this is your pant, the alignment of the button should be here. When your button comes here, so that it aligns about here on the side. So I know now quite well where I need to put it. And I will take the old take it off. There's also a spot that nobody will notice afterwards. So then I have my yarn. I usually make buttons so that I put the yarn doubled. So I have the both ends now here. The knot, just place like this and roll it, glide in, and you have a knot. Now this is all the way doubled. It's up to you if you start from the front or from the back, but both in the front the button will be on it, and then in the back it will be. Now I have a hole here anyway, so I need to fix this a bit before I put the button in. So just crisscrossing the hole. And if you're using double yarn, check that you are not putting any loops in there. So in case the one side of the yarn is tightening more than the other one, then you might end up with some loops and they are not nice to watch. Okay, so now I have it here quite tight, and here it also looks already closed. So then I put it in. Decide which side is the front. That came out here, then I placed it here in. Check that you are not looping. Like here you see there's now a loop. So I need to try to... One of the strings is not tightening properly. And it was already in the earlier round, so... Then I will make the cross. If you have a knot like me here, I need to... I usually pull from the, again, a loop. And then when you have it enough, I have now I think 3 times each cross. So then what I do is I rotate it over the knot button a couple of times so that it gets kind of a neck. Then I put it in and then I finalize it in the back. A couple of times through the yarns. And the final thing is to get it through the loop, preferably twice. You make a knot. So you pull it like tighter, and then in the last minute you place it through and make a knot. And then what I like to do is not to have these loose ends here. If I have a double fabric, I will place it in, push it through further away, because then you cannot see it from the front. It is between the fabrics. I pull it in here, so then the ends are secured somewhere else, and then I just cut the cord and pull it a bit, and we have a knot. So this was the quick instruction. One trouser more in the circulation. Let me know how you liked it, if it was useful, if you would like to see something else like this. Keep on watching. Ciao!